Here's another promising report. First, Fannie Mae came out and said that they expect mortgage rates to be in the mid 4% range by the end of 2023. Now this. The MBA, the Mortgage Bankers Association, came out and said that they predict mortgage rates to be in the mid to low 5% range by the end of 2023. If Fannie Mae and the MBA are correct, that would be good news for buyers next year. But that would be amazing news for buyers closing this year. You may ask, why is that? Because most home sellers in most markets are slashing prices to make sure that they get rid of their asset in case property values drop anymore. Listen, I'm not the guy that says marry the house and date the rate, which basically means don't worry about the interest rates now, you'll be able to refinance later. Because there's nothing guaranteed. You never know what the rates are going to do in the future. After all, we all know what our buddy Tom Toole said.
If you're one of the real estate agents out there saying marry the house, date the rate, you're a
However, mortgage rates have increased due to recession fears and inflation. So if inflation eases and we somehow miss this recession, does that mean mortgage rates drop? And if they drop, does that make purchasing a home now more attractive in the future? Let me know your thoughts. Comment below.